For us. Yeah, we are actually from our Kerala Vision News. Actually.
Okay.
Yeah. And your name?
Arthur.
Arthur.
Father, sir.
From France.
Okay.
France.
Yeah.
Oh, I love France. I love
you
Kylian Mbappe.
But I love Kerala also. I'm working in Kochi.
Oh, Kochi.
Kochi.
You're also from Kochi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From,
Where in Kochi?
Vaitila.
Vaitila. We are in Panambali Nagar.
Yeah,
Is this your first Puram?
it's my first program, yeah.
Oh, great. It would be a great experience for you.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand where to
Yeah.
go, etc. But very nice. Lot of people, lot of events. Lovely.
Yes. When did you came? Yesterday or today?
I came today.
Today.
Today itself.
No, yesterday there were lots of functions or lots of rituals were there.
Yeah, but working, working in the factory, so cannot at every time.
Okay, anyway, happy to see you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Enjoy your Thrissur Puram.
എല്ലാവർക്കും കേരള വിഷൻ ന്യൂസിന്റെ എല്ലാവർക്കും പൂരമാശംസകൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എല്ലാവർക്കും
Hello.
കേരള വിഷൻ ന്യൂസിന്റെ പൂരാശംസകൾ
Pura?
പൂര
Pura?
ആശംസകൾ.
Ashamsakal.
പൂരാശംസകൾ
Pura Ashamsakal.
പൂരം പൊടി പൂരം
Puram Puri Puram.
അതാണ്.
അതാണ് താങ്ക് യു
Okay, bye.